Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can receive money from Wise account. So this is very easy. As a receiver, you just have to provide some details about your bank account. Like for example, if you don't have a Wise account, you just have to provide your account number, your full name. It must be matched with your ID and also your email. This is optional, but this is also required if you want to receive a notification about the money or how fast it will transfer to your account. So if you have a Wise account, what you're going to need to provide to the sender is your Wise tag. So to find your Wise tag, you just have to click your profile at the top left corner, this one, and from here you will just see this. So you click on that one and it will show you a QR code and also a link from here. So what you're going to do is copy it and send it to the sender. So that's how you receive money from the Philippines using Wise. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!